Hi, I'm Joni from OneDishKitchen.com, your #1 source for single serving recipes. And any night can be pizza night with this easy Detroit style pizza recipe. When baked, the crust becomes buttery due to the olive oil that greases the pan and is topped with plenty of cheese, pepperoni, and sauce. So let me show you how we make it. For the pizza dough, you will need a half a cup of bread flour, a quarter of a teaspoon of kosher salt, a quarter of a teaspoon of instant yeast, a quarter of a cup of warm water, a half a teaspoon of olive oil, plus a little more for the bowl and for the baking pan. Stir together the bread flour, salt, instant yeast, water, and olive oil in a medium-sized bowl until combined. Transfer the dough to a bowl lined with olive oil and cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a dish towel. Allow the dough to rise in a warm place until the dough has roughly doubled in size. This will take about 2 hours. Uncover the dough, pour a couple of generous teaspoons of olive oil into your baking dish or your cast iron skillet, and spread the dough along the bottom of the pan. The dough will be very wet and sticky, so put a little bit of oil on your fingers to help spread the dough. Cover the dish or the skillet with plastic wrap and let the dough rise again for 1 hour. Position a rack at the lowest position of the oven and preheat the oven to 500 degrees. Make sure the baking dish you use can withstand oven temperatures this high. If not, bake the pizza at the highest temperature your dish will allow. For the pizza, you will need 1/3 of a cup of pizza sauce and 6 to 8 slices of pepperoni. Cover with mozzarella cheese. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of sauce over the cheese. Transfer the pizza to the bottom rack of the oven and bake until the cheese is bubbly and the edges have browned. This will take about 12 to 15 minutes. Remove the pizza from the oven. Run a spatula or a knife around the edges to loosen it from the pan. So in the video shown, I use a 6.5-inch cast iron skillet, and on our website, OneDishKitchen.com, we also show pictures of the pizza being baked in a 5-by-7-inch baking dish. Cast iron pans are considered the safest for baking because they're made up of only metal, which means they can withstand high temperatures, which you need with this recipe. Now, ceramic baking dishes are generally okay to use too. This is a Le Creuset 5-by-7-inch dish, and according to the Le Creuset website, the dish can withstand temperatures up to 450 degrees. Bake the pizza at the oven temperature your dish will allow. Just keep an eye on it and bake it longer if necessary. Don't use non-stick pans because they generally aren't suitable for baking at high temperatures. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to follow, like, and subscribe to see all of our recipe videos. Also, please visit OneDishKitchen.com where we have hundreds of single-serving recipes. At One Dish Kitchen, cooking for one is all we do. Bye for now.